2018 Chevrolet Tahoe. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.